I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and I had somebody in my network reach out to me, hey Mike, what's the secret of selling on Amazon? If you have a website, digital marketing is a little bit different because you can control the whole sphere, but when you work on a platform such as Amazon or Fiverr like us, where we've had over 2,000 sales, there are a couple things that hold true, and there's something that I developed actually that I call the anchor gig or the anchor service or the anchor product. Really what's going to happen is when you go onto a platform, it's going to take trial and error, and you're going to have to do dozens, if not hundreds of iterations until you get it right. But when you get that one service or that one product, that's your anchor. It's going to generate 80% of the results, and it is going to be the winner out the gate because you're going to feel the success of your product. So you're going to have to develop a product in line with your platform. So on Amazon, you're going to have to look at the competitors and what they're doing. And on the organic side of things, it can be more difficult on Amazon because there's a lot more competition. There's a lot more paid competition. So you have to make sure that you don't strike out, and then you will a couple of times, but when you get that product going and you get that momentum and you have the reviews and the trust and the loyalty, it's going to take off, and that is going to allow you to branch off from your anchor. So you really have to get the anchor as your hub, and then all of your other products are going to be the spokes that you start building out. So there really isn't a secret to Amazon, but when you're working on a platform, you have to get really critical on what the limitations are on the platform because you're working inside of a vacuum, and all the benefits that you're going to achieve are working alongside the limitations of the platform and what you can and cannot do on Google with your website, for example. So be patient, make sure you're always testing, make sure you're not replicating tests, and be persistent, because once you have that service or that product that takes off, that is the momentum you need to really fuel new innovation and new services or products at your business. So if you have any questions about really launching a business and how to be sustainable on a platform and what are some of the limitations, drop me a comment below. I'm Mike Zima, a Shopify marketing expert, and I'm also a remote work entrepreneur. Join me as I post videos every day about entrepreneurship, remote work, growth hacking, and industry updates about the internet. So click subscribe, and I'll see you soon.